I do have to say we have really great customers and we end up forming great relationships with our customers. And so most of our customers are so happy to refer us to other people because it's an experience unlike anything else. When you get to come into a shop and be a part of the evaluation, be a part of the process, and really be a part of even like the finishing. It's something that most customers have never experienced, and they feel like they've learned so much product knowledge and they're so excited to have been a part of it that I feel like we get close to them. You know, we share their life with them for a week or 3 days. And depending on what the problem is, most of them really appreciate how frank we are with them. If you're looking for a RV shop to get everything done, give us a call, come and see us. There's nothing that we can't help with. And if it's something that we can't do at our own shop, we're happy to refer you to people that we trust.